Name. Oh, hi. Hello, everybody.
Hello.
Hello.
We're here on New Year's Eve. Looking great.
What?
So happy to be here.
Yeah.
We still thought it would just say the actual date, just like so off.
Yeah.
Hello. Alright, so where are we? What's going on?
What is this part called
Meow
though?
trip.
This is
Newark.
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 Newark. We're here on a Meow trip.
It's New Year's Eve.
It's New Year's Eve, obviously, and
Yeah.
we're here to have a
I'm
good time.
so confused.
We're here to have a good time.
We have Nanaka and Rinka skating already. Skating the stairs. We just got here.
It's time to set it off.
Yeah. And yeah, it's our first day, first stop. So excited to get the legs going.
Peep the merch.
Keep the
Peep the merch.
Keep the merch.
Peep the merch.
New merch.
Yeah.
Check us out. Follow us on Instagram.
Follow us on Instagram. Like and subscribe. Link will be in the bio for the shirts. Right here in this corner or that corner. You know, right here we got hats.
Right here. Lisa's gonna do this. It's gonna be right here.
Easy.
It's been so long!
Yay.
I was not ready.
Mariah's a performer.
I missed it all.
Yeah, but Ray got it.
I was like, look at Mariah go at like 8 a.m., but then I look at my watch, it's 11:30.
It's 8 a.m. for me here on New Year's Eve. It's okay, it's okay. Alright, we're gonna go to the hip, Lisa. Oh, they gave it to me. Alright. Where am I going next? We're gonna go back to the hip.
Oh wait, oh this way.
I'll wait for you. Okay. Alright, we're gonna go to the bunker bar. You can sit right here. Teamwork. Going back to the hip. This way, I'll wait for you.
Is that Mariah the gamer? Like this?
That's why I'm not gaming. Right here, they're on me. Okay, it's really not New Year's Eve. In case you're wondering, we will drop this on New Year's Eve. No, I'm just kidding. No, we'll drop this on Halloween because we're close to Halloween. What day is it today?
20.
I gotta edit fast, Lisa's like, don't put my time left. Don't give me a deadline yet.
22nd of October, 2024. It's not New Year's Eve. Like and subscribe. Link will be in the bio. Yes!
I'm gonna have to redo this.
On the phone.
See, Kristen was on the phone for this one. Monica just landed a trick.
So good.
Just standing at the bottom of the quarter pipe. Just don't know if I want to go on top or stay down here.
Yeah.
Get it, Mariah!
Where is everybody?
Sketchy.
First try.
It was first try. First try.
All
First
of
try.
you, like that.
First try. It's so crazy.
No fault. It's like we did the
We need to go. Good night. Good night.
What? I touched the thing. The thing on the top. I made it.
Oh my. Woo!
Yeah.
How's that wax? How's that wax?
Yo, my angle was insane. That was crazy. That was sick though.
Whoa.
Yeah.